Hey guys, we're going to do something a little different today. We're going to change a key fob battery in a 5th generation RAM. And that's what we got here. Key fob right here. I already took the key out of it, but basically key's in there like that. I'm going to push the little button on the side here. Pull that key right out like that. You don't want the buttons facing downward. So you want the buttons facing downward. You can see the RAM. Over on this side here, you're going to see a little tab. You're going to put it just like that. See the screwdriver? Lift up. Just like that. And then when it does the lift on this side, I'll move over to this side. Boom. Off just like that. There's the battery. So I'm going to take the battery out of there. Just screwdriver, toothpick, knife, crane. I don't care what you use to get the battery out because apparently a screwdriver will connect. There it goes. Battery's out. I'm going to replace it with another one. And that battery it takes is a 2450 right there. So basically just put it back in there. Let me get this opened up. I like how they seal these really good, right? Alright. What the heck they got this in there with? There's the battery. Stick it back in there like that. The cover back on. Snap it down. Hit the lock button. Yeah, it's working. Put the key right back in. Voila. There it is. Easy, simple video. Thanks for watching.